In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your past trips on Airbnb. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We've got a simple and quick guide for you today, addressing a frequently asked question about Airbnb. Many users want to know how they can delete their past trips from their Airbnb accounts. So if you're looking to declutter or simply enhance your privacy settings, stick around and I'll walk you through the process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Airbnb app on your device. Make sure you're signed in to your account. If you aren't signed in already, go ahead and enter your login details. Once you're in your account, you're going to notice a few icons and buttons across the app interface. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a profile icon there. Go ahead and click it. This step will take you straight to your profile section. In this section, look out for the Edit Profile button. This is your gateway to making any changes to your account's personal and privacy settings. Click on the Edit Profile button and you'll be prompted to a new range of options. Now, as you scroll down through these settings, keep an eye out for a section called Where You've Been. It's crucial to understand that Airbnb doesn't currently allow you to outright delete past trips. However, you can achieve a similar outcome by hiding them. Within the Where You've Been section, you'll find the settings that will let you control the visibility of your past trips. Once you locate this section, you'll want to disable it. By doing so, you effectively hide your past trips from view. This is the closest option available to deleting them on Airbnb at this time. After you've adjusted this setting, be sure to save the changes to your profile. Not only will this help to maintain your privacy, but it might also give your profile a cleaner, more streamlined look. And there you have it. That's how you can manage your past trips on Airbnb. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your Airbnb experience smoother. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like, drop a comment if you have any further questions, and as always, subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides and tips. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.